Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. This is Zig the programming guy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your watch history on TikTok. So if you have turned on the watch history feature on TikTok, then you can be able to see videos that you've watched on TikTok for the past 7 days. So I'm going to show you how you can see those videos in today's video. So first step to take is, of course, open your TikTok app, then head to your TikTok profile. So once you're in your TikTok profile, click on these three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and then go to settings and privacy. Now from here, you just have to scroll down and you find this watch history feature right here. Go ahead and click on that. And if you click on that, you're going to find the videos you've watched from the past 7 days appearing right here. So guys, this is how you can see your watch history on TikTok. Hope this tip was helpful to you. If it was, please give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.